For over 35 years, Spectrum Technologies has been developing and applying innovative leading-edge technology to provide solutions to problems in advanced manufacturing, pioneering the use of laser technology to solve a range of issues. From ultraviolet lasers for marking and identifying high-performance wire and cable used in the aerospace and defense industries, and infrared lasers for stripping electrical wires used in consumer electronics and medical devices, to developing novel laser stripping techniques for magnet wire used in wound electrical components such as motors and alternators for the automotive and power electronics industries. We have developed systems as diverse as the laser etching of microwave reflectors on antennae used in communication satellites, while researching varied applications from laser marking UDI codes for medical devices to the high-speed drilling of sub-millimeter holes in carbon fiber composite materials for the aerospace sector. Today, Spectrum Technologies is recognized as a world leader in providing solutions and specialized industrial wire processing equipment for the manufacture of complex wire harnesses and wiring assemblies. In the aerospace sector, we have created a step change in technology with the introduction of UV laser wire marking, and our technology is recognized as the international industry standard. Our Nova laser wire marking systems provide the backbone for aerospace wire harness production worldwide. Our products are used in more than 60 countries by almost every major aircraft manufacturer around the world, including Airbus and Boeing, as well as by key subcontractors and a host of aircraft maintainers. In recognition of this global impact, Spectrum Technologies received the prestigious King's Award for Enterprise in International Trade in 2025. In the electronics sector, our laser wire strippers provide a critical tool for the high-volume production of miniature wiring assemblies for high-tech consumer products. Spectrum continues to develop new products and provide innovative solutions in other areas of advanced manufacturing. Our latest Sienna laser wire stripper enables precise stripping of thin magnet wire down to 54 AWG used in the manufacture of medical devices. And our latest NovaJet inkjet wire marker offers a versatile solution for the identification of non-laser markable wire and cable. So if you have a particular need, please contact our business development team to see how we can help. With our global network of sites, sales staff, service engineers, and agents, Spectrum Technologies provides complete solutions to organizations of all sizes around the world, from initial research through to supplying and supporting new products, improving quality, and reducing manufacturing costs. We look forward to talking to you to see how we can help meet your needs.